Right now, we are tracking what today became Hurricane Zeta. It's the 27th named storm of a busy hurricane season and the 7th system to take a path towards the Gulf Coast. Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer is here with an update at 11 o'clock. Craig?
Elliot, no big changes this evening. Winds at still 80 miles an hour now. Category 1 moving to the northwest a little bit faster at 13 miles an hour and just 25 miles east of Tulum, Mexico. That's just to the south there of Cozumel. So it's going to be making landfall in the next couple of hours here and then crossing the Yucatan there, and then it's into the Gulf. And unfortunately, all of the storms, usually when they get in the Gulf, they just don't get out. There's really no way to get out of the Gulf. So we're going to be dealing with that again in the northern Gulf. Hurricane warnings in effect for the Yucatan Peninsula. Hurricane watches, storm surge watches, and tropical storm watches as far as the Florida Panhandle there. Now, this was the storm that we were just talking about 3 weeks ago. That was Delta that hit the Yucatan there and then crossed into the Gulf and then turned to the north. And here is the threat track for Zeta. And you can see it's very close, but to the east of where Delta tracked just 3 weeks ago. This is the 8 p.m. time frame here. So the weather's going to be going downhill on Wednesday, and then the storm moves quickly to the north and east and gets involved in a cold front there after that. In terms of the way it looks tonight, you can see it there on the satellite. It is gradually moving to the west-northwest. Probably won't get much stronger now as it's going to be making landfall, but does have an opportunity to strengthen once it gets into the southern Gulf where waters are still warm. As far as we're concerned, just a few showers now on the outer edge of the moisture, so we are going to see less rainfall, but unfortunately it's going to stay very warm and summer-like humidities. I'll talk about when things get a little bit better coming up in just a bit.